Chang's lettuce wrap. I've got 2 heads of lettuce, 1 iceberg, 1 butter. I've got 10 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, or just under 3/4 of a cup. I have 16 ounces of diced water chestnuts that I diced myself. I have 6 crushed garlic. I got 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I have 4 green onions diced up, and I have 2 pounds of ground chicken, and we're gonna take this on outside to the grill. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. It's getting dark early. Got home a little bit late. We're gonna do P.F. Chang's lettuce wrap. Got a couple of pounds of chicken. Already kind of went over the other ingredients, but they're all right here. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm making kind of a double batch from the recipe that I have. So I'm doing 2 pounds of ground chicken because, well, we want to have more than just a couple. It's not just an appetizer. So let's get this over on the black stone and get it going. Okay, so I've got this on a low heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Chicken doesn't stick. I'll let that heat up. Okay, I think this is about ready. I think I set a low. It's actually just about medium, just under medium. So let me get my ground chicken on there. You ever seen the Waltz twins? You know they say when the crowd goes wild. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get our chicken cooked up. It'll take, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Spread out so that we can get it cooked. Get in there. Just want to keep it moving. Don't really want to brown it or burn it. Getting there. It's getting cooked. Now we're going to start adding our ingredients. Add our soy sauce, our rice vinegar, sriracha sauce, ginger, garlic, hoisin sauce. Oh, this is the magic right here. Let's just get all of that in there. Stir it in real nice. This all goes pretty fast. Go for a second. green onions in there. Mixed in really well. Okay. And now I'm going to get the water chestnuts in there. Kind of a lot. Like I said, I doubled it, so there's 16 ounces of water chestnuts, but man, I love water chestnuts. I don't know about you guys. Okay, I'm gonna let that just warm really nice there for a second. And I'll pull it off. Okay, I think we are ready to take this off and make a bit lettuce wrap. Okay, here you go. P.F. Chang's lettuce wrap, all done up at home. Let's do a taste test. That's how you do it. Check this out. There we go. I brought out a piece of lettuce. That's the butter lettuce right there. A little bit in there. Just like that. And that looked delicious. Looks good to me. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up and take a bite for you. Okay, lettuce wrap, just like P.F. Chang's. Yep. That is delicious. Yeah. All those ingredients, easy. Probably took, what, 10 to 15 minutes? Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay? Go eat. Man, that is good.